What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you 3 products that you can utilize at home to help cure occipital neuralgia. So if you're experiencing headaches, migraines, even nerve pain, then stay tuned because this video and these products that I'm about to show you may help you out drastically. Alright, but before we get into the video, I encourage you to click the like button below, and I also invite you to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Alright, so without any further ado, let's dive on in. Alright guys, so this product right here is going to help you cure occipital neuralgia. Absolutely wonderful product. I used it for myself and it did wonders for my situation. Alright, so if you look at the picture of the girl demonstrating the product, you can see that she's getting a suboccipital release and relief by utilizing the product. So let's read a little bit more about the product. Alright guys, so it performs a suboccipital release for tension and stress headaches. Tension/stress headaches almost always form a band of pain pressure above both ears in the same location that a headband is worn and or are felt at the top of the head. Please see the pain diagram on this listing. If you are unsure if your headache is a tension headache, see your local PT. In many cases, they will provide free evaluations at no cost. Our products are not made from hard plastic, but they are made of a firm, thick-walled premium synthetic rubber. Softer than a lacrosse ball, massage blocks are serious manual massage tools for deep trigger point therapy. Into sports massage, massage blocks are like foam rollers for the rest of your body. Includes our product guide and links to free instructional videos. So this product also includes instructional videos on how to do exercises and how to utilize the product, which is absolutely cool because you don't want to buy a product and don't know how to use it. So this product isn't going to leave you hanging. It's going to include instructional videos and brochures to show you how to utilize the product properly. All right, guys. So absolutely insane. It says for those with headaches, if the idea of pressing 2 semi-hard pieces of synthetic rubber into the back of your neck at the base of your skull does not seem appealing, then don't use it. Our returns are predominantly from customers who are either not patient enough to allow the tool to do its work or are able to withstand the high intensity initial pain of deep tissue release. Now, what they mean by that is when you first start off using this product, it's a deep tissue release, guys. In order to fix the problem and cure the problem, you're going to have to go through minor pain in the beginning because you have occipital neuralgia. It's very, very painful to have. But if you can be consistent and persist through the product, over time it's going to get less and less painful because the muscles and everything is going to stretch out. You know what I mean? When you first do a stretch on a muscle that you haven't stretched in years, of course it's going to be painful. Same thing applies to occipital neuralgia, your neck, and your head, guys. Those muscles are tight, they're stiff, they're compressing on those nerves. This is going to give you a deep release stretch in the suboccipital area. And of course, it's not going to feel all dandy at first. But the more you utilize the product time and time again, it's going to stretch it and stretch it and stretch it, releasing those nerves, releasing that pain, curing those headaches, and get you out of pain, guys. So the first product is called a Twin Block Pro. And I like to mention, guys, all these products will be in the link in the description. So if you say, hey, I want this product, I want to utilize it at home, look no further. Just go on down to the description and I'll have each item individually linked so you can go and find it. All right, guys. So the next product is called the Cranial Cradle Home Therapy System. All right, guys. So about the product, it relieves muscle aches and pains. It soothes headaches, migraines, and TMJ symptoms. It helps to calm central nervous system disorders, anxiety, ADD, ADHD. It eases the pain and discomfort of whiplash, and it works in 2 to 5 minutes. So it's almost instantaneous relief, guys, an instantaneous cure. All right, it's called the Cranial Cradle, and let's look at some of the pictures. This girl is using it for her back. She's using it for her neck. You see right there, she's using it for her neck. And here, she's using it for her head, guys. So you can work on your back, your neck, and your head with most of these products that I'm displaying and that I'm showing to you. So in this picture right here, you can see she's in that occipital area, and she's utilizing it to relieve those muscle aches, those pains, to relieve those headaches, those migraines, and get rid of that occipital pain. Because no one wants to be in pain 24/7 every single day. So with the help of these products that I'm showing you guys, if you use them every single day, I'd say about 60 to 90 minutes, an hour to an hour and a half every single day for 2 to 3 months, you should be cured, guys. Cured of all the occipital pain that you're going through, because these products have helped me, guys. I'm not just someone speaking. I bought these products and I utilized them for 2 to 3 months every single day. I had occipital pain. I got nerve pain in my head, behind the eye. It was just absolutely horrid, guys. But when I got these products and I started utilizing them every single day, I noticed the pain started to wear off. So you want to get these products and you want to use them, guys. Do not procrastinate, guys, because you don't want to be in pain. Like, if you don't want to be in pain, you have to do something about it. All right, guys? And you don't want to go to a chiropractor or physical therapist, because they're going to try to prolong your visit, guys. They're going to try to get as much money out of you as possible. And then on top of that, it's going to take a long period of time for them to help you, maybe years to help you. That's what they're going to tell you. They're like, it's going to take years for us to help your situation. And you're going to be paying $100, $150 every single visit, when you could spend $100 on 3 products that I'm about to show you and do self-physical therapy by yourself. These are self-physical therapy utilization tools that you can utilize at home by yourself any hour of the day, before you go to bed, in the morning when you wake up, in the mid-afternoon, whenever, guys. You don't have to schedule appointment or anything. You can do the therapy yourself at home anytime you need. So that's why I love self-physical therapy utilization tools such as the Twin Block Pro and the Cranial Cradle. All right. The third product is called Body Bags Company Da Vinci Tool Firm Self Massager. This is going to be a good neck massage, back massage, muscle pain reliever, occipital release, guys. Occipital release, trigger point therapy, and myofascial release, guys. So this product is going to do wonders for people that have occipital pain, nerve pain. Get into those trigger points and clear up that pain, because no one wants to be in pain. All right, guys, so you can see how this woman right here is utilizing the product. Like I said, these are back, neck, and head products that you can utilize for a variety of issues. So in this picture, you can see that she's using it just like the other ones in the suboccipital area, because she's getting rid of those, that nerve pain, those stiff muscles. She's getting into those trigger points and releasing, occipital releasing, guys. And it says, relieves and reduces headaches, neck pain, tension, muscle spasm, chronic pain and stiffness. So it's getting rid of chronic pain, guys. What products do you know that get rid of chronic pain? Chronic pain. The doctor is going to tell you that your pain is chronic. They're going to try to have you manage it for the rest of your life. Who wants to manage pain? Nobody. We want to get fixed. We want to get cured. I was so glad to find these products, guys. You don't know how lucky you are today to be watching this video. I would advise you to share it with other people who are suffering from the same symptoms that you have, guys. So it works the occipital muscle group and helps unlock painful trigger points. It's quality made in the USA with the 100% product guaranteed for life. It can be used as a hand tool and on a partner. You can take to the gym, work, or even travel. So it's something that you can take with you. It's lightweight. It's not heavy. It's not a big machine, guys. These products can be taken anywhere. You know what I mean? So you can use them at home every single day. Like I said, 30, 60, 90 minutes every single day for about 2 to 3 months, and you should be rid of occipital neuralgia, guys. So that basically concludes this video. I encourage you, once again, click the like button below. I also invite you to subscribe to the YouTube channel. And if you need any of these products, whether the Twin Block Pro, the Cranial Cradle, or the Body Back Company's Da Vinci tool, just click the link in the description and sign up for the products, guys. I'll have the links to all the products. So you just click the link and it'll send you directly there to these exact products. People don't feel like typing in all this crap and searching. You know what I mean? So why not go in the description and just find it easily? All right, guys. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you feel better, and I hope you take the next step in order to cure your occipital neuralgia. Have a good one.